welcome to my channel. My name is Chantel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video, we're just going to be showing you guys how to conceal dark circles. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video. I'm just gonna show you how to conceal the dark circles without using a ton of products and color correcting and all that jazz. So we're just gonna jump straight into the video. All right, guys, so one of the major keys to concealing dark circles is to start off with a really good eye cream. I'm using Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. The formula is very light and it's enriched with vitamin C, which is known to help with hyperpigmentation and fade dark circles. And as you can see, I'm using my ring finger to apply the least amount of pressure since the skin under your eyes is already very thin and sensitive. Next, I'm using the Sephora brand Best Skin Ever Concealer. The shade that I'm using is 16Y, which has a yellow base, and it's going to brighten under the eye area. And I'm also using a dampened Real Techniques Beauty Blender. So as you can see, I'm layering the product twice to build up the coverage. It's going to look a little light at first, but trust the process because you want to bring light into that area. So this concealer has a matte formula. It helps balance the under eye cream so that it doesn't look shiny, but it still provides hydration. And now I'm going to be using my Dior concealer, the Forever Skin Correcting Concealer, which is also a full coverage concealer, but it's more closer to my skin tone. This is going to help balance out that brightness and make everything look natural. So the best recommendation is to blend consistently so that everything just blends very seamless. And as you can see, once you continue to blend this out, it's going to start giving skin. But as you can see, it's starting to cover up those dark circles. The key to blending out matte formulas is to move very quickly because once it sets, it stays in place. And you guys already know this is my holy grail foundation. It is the NARS Radiant Longwear. This foundation, I can't say enough about it. If you don't own it, you are missing out because it gives skin. It looks natural. It's just, I get so many compliments off of it. I can't recommend it enough. But I'm using a flat top brush because I feel like it just buffs the foundation into the skin. So as you can see, everything looks pretty natural. We're good to go. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r concealer in the shade 20. This concealer is a little bit lighter than the foundation, but we're layering. That's the key to concealing dark circles in a more natural way. So now I'm just using this in the areas that I want to bring light to, and then I'm going to use that damp beauty blender again just to go ahead and blend this concealer out. And this is really going to highlight on top of the foundation. So this is one of the steps that I use in my everyday makeup routine. If you see me on TikTok or Instagram, I always do this process just because it helps when I go to contour. It just brings light into that area. So now as you can see, things are starting to come together. Now my favorite thing to do is to take a damp beauty blender. And if you haven't heard of the Huda Beauty translucent powder, you must be living under a rock. So that is one of the best powders next to Laura Mercier to set your concealer, your foundation, and pretty much we're done. I have applied my normal makeup. I like to keep it very natural. So this is it, guys. I hope this helps. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my online family, and I'll see you in my next video.